Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Marco, and today we're going to be going over my little car wash setup in the garage. I've been doing a lot of research and I finally got what I wanted, the way I wanted. So I wanted to install one in between these two garage doors. So I ended up first starting with the AR Blue. I did return that. It had more pressure, less gallons per minute. And this one is the active. It's the VE52, which is 1800 PSI and 2 gallons per minute, which I absolutely love. So I did a lot of research on this one. I think it comes with a 2-year warranty. It does come with 35 feet of power cord with a GFCI at the tip. The hose itself is 20 feet, which is kind of short. I think it should be the other way around, 35 feet for the hose and 20 feet or 25 feet for the power cord. And it comes with an extension, and it comes with a gun and a little foamer that I don't use because you have to screw it on to the gun itself, and it's a little annoying, but it actually works okay. So I ended up putting a quick disconnect here and here, so I could just put the foamer that I purchased, which is an aftermarket Amazon special, which is really nice. It works amazing. So, you know, quick disconnect, change the tip, put the foamer, back and forth. It's fast. I like this gun myself because I have a large SUV, so it's easier for me to get to the areas because I'm short. So for me, it works pretty good. So I mounted this pressure cleaner on the wall because I like a nice little clean setup, but it's actually removable. So I added a M22 15 millimeter quick disconnect here, so that way we could get rid of this jumper hose, and my son could take it with him. He does like weekend jobs sometimes here and there, just washes cars as a part-time. He's still in school. So it does come with 3 tips. It is 13 amps, and so it won't blow your breaker if you connect it to any of your standard outlets. Very, very nice. It's relatively quiet, and like I said, it works fantastic. I am super, super happy with the Active. It is a 5-piston setup. Parts are not available to fix it. So like I said, the warranty is pretty nice. If you want to get the extended warranty from Amazon, you could, you know, which is what I did. So another little setup that I got was the MTM gun. This one is the SGS-28, very popular. Comes with the swivel, which is a must, so it doesn't put pressure on your wrist, and stainless steel tips, which is very, very, very nice. Now, I went with the Cox reel because, you know, I like have bicycle tools that are in blue and stuff like that, as you've probably seen in some of my videos. And I like the blue hose. I love this Uber Flex hose. Absolutely amazing. It doesn't kink. It's a 1/4 inch, it's soft, and at the same time, it's awesome to use. So I wanted a quick disconnect for it. So it comes with that little thing that you have to, you know, like screw on, which you could get an adapter for, which is just like this one, and then connect it to wherever you want. But it's just, I didn't want too many adapters, so I ended up taking it to a hydraulic store, and I got it cut and installed a 3/8 male connector on both ends. So, and the reason I did that is for first of all, it doesn't fit in here with the big thing that it comes with. I tried installing also a 1/2 inch pressure cleaner hose. Didn't fit either, it will kink. So this reel here is 50 feet, only works with 1/4 inch. If you want a thicker hose, don't get this reel, get the 100-foot one. This is a 50 feet. So, like I said, you can also get Flexilla hose, which are awesome. They give you a lot more options. But same thing though, on the 1/4 inch, it comes with the little black adapter. And like I say, Flexilla has 3 different size hoses. The other 2 sizes, they do come already with the 3/8 connector on it. But what I would recommend, and it's the same thing, Flexilla and Uberflex, same patent number. So what you would do is get a bigger, wider hose reel, and you'll be in business. So all I need is 50 feet. It does all my 3 cars. I have a 3-car garage and a big driveway. So for me, it works pretty awesome. So like I said, you know, another thing that we did was install a garden hose quick disconnect stainless steel. So all my hoses have that. So I could come in, plug it in, let the air out, and I'm ready to rock and roll. So all my hoses, they all have quick disconnects. Another little thing that I like to use is one of those little plastic things, so you can put them in the front or back tires and your hose won't get stuck. Awesome. I love it. It makes the car wash more pleasurable, and that's pretty much it. So, you know, these are the simple things that I basically done research on that I've wanted to have in my garage for my car wash setup. It does everything I need to do and then some. Perfect. It's not that expensive. And like I said, you don't have to go with the Cox reel. You could go with something, you know, that's a little bit less expensive. And if you want to go with a Ryobi, and they only have about 1.2 gallons per minute of pressure. So, you know, I was going to go with the Sunjo that they sell at Walmart. It was like 180 something dollars. So I said, you know what, a couple bucks more. I gave me this one, 2-year warranty, and it does have more gallons per minute. So we're trying to grow the channel, and we can't do it without your support. Some of the links below do help us out. I also have videos on the 50 feet vacuum setup from Cox Reel. Absolutely amazing. I put the video at the end. You'll love it. It makes everything so much better. All right, so let's get to it. All right, guys, so this is what I was talking about. Quick release on your garden hose, okay? Stainless steel, awesome. So if you're close to the water, this is perfect, all right? So we're gonna get this connector, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to the pressure cleaner. All right, and that's pretty much it. So you're gonna open up the water, and then what we'll do is we'll let the air out, and then we turn on the machine, all right? So until you get a nice smooth stream, I don't recommend turning on the pressure cleaner. All right, now that the air is out of the line, pretty good. So since we're already here, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little decibel test just to see, and hopefully, you know, it'll be not so bad. So let's try it out. Not so bad, not so bad at all. All right, guys, so you're gonna go ahead and pull as much hose as you need for the car you're working on. I'm gonna use a small hose. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the car first, then we'll do a little bit of the soap just to give you an idea. And like I said, this thing is absolutely awesome. And since it has the swivel base, so you don't have to be doing this. All you gotta do is, you know, you walk, and this Uber hose straightens out itself. You know what? I almost forgot the best part. All right, guys, so those little things are awesome. I forgot to put them on. You'll see that, you know, when you move the hose around, you won't have any issues of getting it tangled. So I'll give the car just like a little quick rinsey thing, so that way you can see how it works. See, doesn't get stuck. Awesome. All right, so if I want to go to the other side, sweet. makes your life easier, a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and try foam cannon. What do you guys think? Fun, easy, and effective. So, like I say, I mean, it's actually, this is the second time it rains today, so I'm not really gonna wash the car. All right, guys, we're done. So another little trick I want to show you is using an electric blower with the Ego. They actually sell a little nozzle. I haven't bought it yet, but you can if you're going to be doing a lot of the car drying stuff. But I'll show you now. It works awesome. All right, so this guy right here, excellent for drying cars. So, you know, on days like this where I just want to give a car a quick wash, I know it's going to rain later on, but we're not going to use the car, so, you know, it's not going to get dirty. I just give it a quick wash, you know, and dry it with this, and that's it, you know.